Hello, I'm Sureshri Rahane, the founder and CEO of Yearbook Campus. We connect institutes with students and alumni in a way like never before. The current communication between an education institution, its students, and alumni is fragmented, it is broken. That is where Yearbook Canvas is leveraging technology by bringing its SaaS based community platforms, yearbooks, as well as e commerce based merchandise platform to offer the institutes 10 times more reach, impact, and connections. The current problems include lack of a common platform for community as well as education products, 90% of the institutes lacking the bandwidth and technology to undertake such projects, and minimal to no understanding by the vendors about the branding and communication style of the institute. Once a student or a batch of student is onboarded on the platform, they can log in onto the portal using their email ID. They see their timeline in front of them where they can share images and videos and tag their friends. Their friends in this case are already their batchmates, which are added from the backend, making this an alumni management portal later on. The testimonials for the yearbooks can be returned, received, and saved on the portal itself, and the institute can conduct polls on the platform which can later be published in the yearbook. We have a slash your brand name platform where every institute can put in their branded merchandise either designed by them or by us, which can later be bought by the students or the alumni. These are some of the yearbooks that we made for IIM ABC for the last academic year. A few merchandise as well as our brand based packaging. Our USPs include saving 70% of the time for data collection and order fulfillment. We are India's leading yearbook company and we do have a first movers advantage. We are globally scalable with competitive pricing. Our milestones include processing more than 1,50,000 orders for more than 1,10,000 students and alumni. We have more than 200 paid B2B customers. We are VC and HNI funded, and we saw 200% revenue growth year on year in the last two financial years. Our leadership team has more than 30 years of total industry experience. We have our investors and advisors from 8 countries currently. The market size is 400 billion, whereas the SAM for the geographies we are targeting currently is 43 billion. We have a campus ambassador program by the name of Futurepreneur. There are a few competitors, but they either only deal in yearbooks or merchandise or alumni management, whereas we deal in all of these, making it a unique platform. We have 70% repeat rate with our customers. These are few of our amazing testimonials from IIM Lucknow as well as Ganges Valley School. We have raised 3 rounds of funding before this. We have one time and subscription based revenue, and our GTM includes B2B, B2B2C, and D2C. We are looking to raise 3.7 CR INR for 7% equity to improvise on our technology, scale our operations, as well as sales and marketing. We have been recognized by the Government of India as well as other bodies. We have been covered organically by multiple news platforms. And we are looking to make Yearbook Canvas one of the leading student platform in the world. Please join us in our journey. Thank you.